So y'all, I didn't do the whole video. I didn't really care about that. I just wanted to let y'all see the ram air intake. We got the Hellcat Air box and the filter already installed in the previous video that released yesterday, but you'll probably see this in a couple weeks. So it was released on August 12th, so go see that. But yeah, I don't know why it's just ridiculous, but here we go. Ram air intake. Got the Hellcat on my 2022 Charger GT, and we out.
Bye.
So this is a cold start the morning after we installed the inlet and the radiator shell. So let's see what it sounds like. It probably still sound the same. Who knows? Got a little bit more oomph to it. Just a little bit. It ain't gonna change until I put 5-inch tips on here and put that cyclone system in. So until then.